Do you want to create an album on Facebook? You can make a new Facebook photo album with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To create an album on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on your profile picture or the three horizontal line menu. Now, select your Facebook profile or name at the top of the screen to access your profile page. Once you are on your profile, scroll down and tap on Photos. Here, you will see your old albums and photos. At the top of the screen, tap on Albums. A new screen appears where you will see different albums. To create a new album, tap on Create Album. Now, enter the name of the album and tap the Create button at the top right of the screen. Once created, open the album and add photos or videos to your new album. This album will now be visible on your profile under the Albums section.